I did not know love is hurt until we separated. When I only hear you when you call, sharing my bed by myself, lying here all alone. Nothing to keep me warm, nothing to hold. If there's anything I can do to keep in mind, I just hope that you think of me and never deny. Staring at my phone, waiting for your call. I just wanna hear your voice. Can't handle to be alone. Please pick up your phone, or a simple message of your own. Oka ose fanyacha Te acha vala vala Misia oe ona ole alofa Sauvili mai moa u Le o te fa atalia tu Ule ma failo o ma imanatu. I can